So our next process in the program, after entering your site and entering all the activities, is then actually entering organisational positions. So here we're going to select policy and planning and organisational positions. Now, organisational positions are the positions in the companies that basically are going to also perform the activities we just entered. So we'll add a position. We'll just add a position as housemaid. All these are general inductions basically that every employee should be undertaking, and we're going to select a review date for the position, not the employee, but for the position. You can enter a job description and the qualifications needed if that position, if it was a forklift driver, it'd need a license, and that's spelt with a C, not an S. If you select next, you'll basically bring up all the activities. We've just entered all the activities into the program, so look, we've got our setting up tables actually in there. We can actually click that. So, and basically at the moment there's a bit of an error in the program. There should be next to it to say that setting up tables needed an induction. And the induction, as you remember when we entered it, it was actually manual handling induction. If we select next, this means that these activities are undertaken by the position of housekeeping, and when you assign an employee to these positions, they'll need to do an induction if it's been selected that there's an induction. So if enter the position, automatically goes into the box. And I'll just show you what I mean by where these inductions go to. So in the employee section, and this is the last process, but I'm just showing you where it actually would go later on. We might add an employee, and we'll add an employee as Christine Forrester. Whatever. And basically we can now assign her to the position of a housemaid. Now the site might be general because she's doing general house duty, or she might be in wing B or building A or whatever it may be, but we'll just say general at the moment. She's part-time, she has a start date of today, and basically you can select next. When you select next, it actually brings up those induction records we mentioned before. Now here we've got a tick to confirm that they're required, so we want to make sure that she's actually undertaking all these kind of inductions, which is, you can put in one generalized induction format, and they can actually do it all in one go. So the specific job inductions actually sit underneath here, and that's coming soon as well. That's just getting completed. Now when the person actually finishes an induction, you would actually select the date that the person finished, and it would actually enter the date in there. If I insert record, now it'll say that Christine Forrester is in my employees, and it's got the red cross there. Now the red cross means that still there's inductions outstanding, and she needs to make sure that she's completed this induction. So we'll go that she has completed that induction, insert record, and you'll see now it goes to a green tick. So it because we set that position needs to be revisited every year, that qualification will go to a red cross in a year's time. So we'll go back to the format that we're doing, which was organisational positions. You can enter all your positions into the company, and then later on, because we're going to assign employees to those positions.